Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the best scene from the movie L2.
L2 Empu Run.
Yes.
So we have Mohanlal sir here and Prithviraj Sukumaran, Murli Gopi and Antony Perumbha Bhur.
Yes.
Okay, so yes, this is very powerful kind of energetic content.
Yes.
And or you can say a title video.
Right.
So here it is for you guys. I really hope that you like today's content, and if you do so, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो झट से let's get started.
Okay. Northern Russia. Wow. What a scenic beauty.
Wow, what a scenic beauty now.
Yeah.
Wow.
This looks awesome. I think cinematography is superb.
Superb. Camera angle is like outstanding.
अरे तू किसको धमकी दे रहा रे? अपने औकात में रह, नहीं तो तेरा भेजा खोल दूंगा मैं। सियारा लियोनी से खोल के अंगोला को झाड़ू मार के वाया नरोबी वाया मोगादिशु अगर संगारी
Hey, शक्ति कपूर सर.
तो मैं देखता हूँ कि कौन मादर इसको बिकने से रोक सकता है। तू कौन है पहले ये बता। संगानी की खिचड़ी में चम्मच डालने वाले कौन है तू? ओसामा का बेटा है, कबूगा है, दाऊद है, कौन है तू बोल? अब्राम, कुरैशी, अब्राम।
My goodness, his face expression. Oh,
Wow.
wow. That's super.
What attitude, man.
That's awesome, right?
Awesome means it's unbelievable.
Beat any kind of Hollywood style.
Any kind of.
Really amazed with this scene.
Mohanlal sir is like,
He's looking superb.
superb. What an attitude, ना ये उम्र में भी. Wow.
Wow.
Outstanding,
Yeah.
unbelievable, and I don't have I'm lacking adjectives now.
Yes, I love the cinematography. Everywhere white snow, and in between
Wow.
there, and they all are wearing black suits, black goggles. Wow.
That is actually the main director point of view, you can say, or
And
camera angle.
even helicopter was also in black.
In black color. So they are choosing in this way only black outfit in the snow,
Yes.
white snow.
It was looking
Wow,
superb.
it was looking classy.
Yeah.
It was looking classy and high categorized, high
Yeah,
category
right.
kind of high
Mercedes
profile.
was there.
High profile. Mercedes was there. You are seeing a scenic beauty. I was seeing the scenic beauty of the car. Okay.
that
And
was,
Mohanlal
looking-
sir was looking superbly
Yes.
suitable with
Mohanlal
that car.
His
that
attitude and his getup was really superb, outstanding, you can say.
Yes, he can carry any kind of role. Here, I think it is a kind of
Dawn
kind of role.
Is it? We are not sure.
हाँ, क्योंकि अब्राम कुछ एक नाम ही ऐसा टाइप का था, तो काइंड ऑफ लाइक डॉन, एंड ऑल्सो ही कैन कैरी सम विलेज ओनर और मंत्री नेता और महाराजा. he is
He has
having this
played a
kind
lot of
of
roles and-
face that can carry each and every kind of role in a super way.
Yes, of course.
He is outstanding, man. We are very proud of Mohanlal sir, because always, like, whenever we saw a single video of Mohanlal sir, we are amazed by
Yes.
seeing his gesture,
I think
get up, and
I
everything.
always think that at this age also, how much energy he is carrying and the way his expression is, seriously, that really amazed us a lot.
Deserve a clap, actually.
Yeah.
because we are extremely proud, we are so much junior than Mohanlal sir.
Yes.
So we are amazed with seeing the, by seeing the acting skill and everything of Mohanlal sir. So I'm thinking like how Vijay sir and all of the juniors of Mohanlal sir, they also are like way more amazed, and they are
Yes.
learning, I think, from these legends. And also in some parties, or in kind of like the promotion, movie promotion or functions, they must be talking about this thing, that have you
each
seen
and
that
every-
movie and all?
Each and every actor, they respect Mohanlal sir a lot.
Very much actually.
Yes.
And also,
Shakti
yeah,
Kapoor sir.
Shakti Kapoor sir,
And
yes.
he's too much good, and we have been seeing him since
From childhood
Bollywood days,
only,
from childhood days.
childhood days
Yes.
only. Now he is very much suitable with this kind of
This kind of
role,
role,
but
yes.
he can carry any kind of comedy
Right.
and sarcastic kind of
Chalbaz, I
role.
think you are
Chalbaz.
pointing. छोटा
Yes.
सा नन्हा सा प्यारा सा
बच्चा
बच्चा हूँ मैं. Yeah, that
So
was
we
great.
really like him a lot also. But yeah, Mohanlal sir has alag kind of touch,
Yes.
different kind of touch. The way he was talking, yes, my name is this, and then just camera angle was like slowly moving, and he was putting down the phone.
Yes. That,
My God,
that
my
talent-
heart was like-
that is the talent of director.
Director,
Yes.
yes, superb scene, and we are feeling very happy now.
And one thing you forgot, the music
The
behind the
music.
background. Yes.
Outstanding, man,
that's
each and everything. It is a 10 on 10
Yes, I think
video.
that's why before starting
Yeah.
this video, they told that put your earphone on.
Earphone on.
Yes.
My
so
goodness.
yes,
So
it
10
was
on 10.
outstanding, and 10 on 10 for this
From
scene.
our side, and I really hope that you also like this content. So now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Nahas Tech. He is writing his comment on Megastar Mammootty birthday special mashup to 2019, and he is saying that more than 30 times he nominated best actor for national award. Okay, so
My
of
gosh,
course
this is
30
one more
times.
legend, Mammootty sir.
Right, he is
30
also
times.
one more legend, and his appearance I liked a lot, and
My God.
at the age of I think 68 or 69, his energy level, it's superb.
Matlab, he can beat anyone. He can beat any 29 years of or 20 years of actor also.
Yes,
He
that's
has
true.
that power, and 30 times nominated means it is like
True talent, even.
talent, okay, beyond our language also, beyond our words.
Yes.
So yes, that is extremely good thing, and we are so proud. Thank you so much, Nahastek, for commenting and for letting us this information know. So thank you so much. So the second comment for today's video is from Yubra Srinivasu, and he's commenting on Vedalam intro scene reaction. He's commenting, guys, want to laugh out loud like this? You better watch villain movie comedy scenes. More importantly, you will be amazed if you watch villain movie introduction scene. Please react and cherish the scenes. Okay,
so
villain movie, right?
We will always love to laugh a lot.
Yes, always. Like we really love to see some comedy scenes and sarcastic kinds of scenes. So we feel really happy to see this kind of
course.
scenes. And yes, villain movie, we have a plan to give our reaction on the comedy scenes from the villain movie. Definitely we'll be doing and giving our reaction on that. So thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Sridhar Narasimha, and he's commenting on Theri movie full movie review.
Yes.
And he's commenting, when Talapati Vijay was staying in Shivamogga Hotel, Karnataka, Kannada fans were repeatedly visiting the hotel. Huge crowd gathered outside the hotel. Lot of mass movement in Karnataka itself. Do video on that. Hope you will see my comment.
Yes.
Yes, definitely. He was staying in Karnataka hotel.
Yes.
That is definitely very
I think
good
some
thing.
movie promotion he used to come in
he used to
Karnataka
come.
as well. So
People used to come like the movie stars and celebrities. So yes, that is a quite normal thing, that a crowd will be there beside the, behind the hotel or outside the hotel, you can say, and people will be like gathering
Gathered
just to
a lot,
see a
just
little
to
bit of glimpses of
get a glimpse
his
of him.
favorite, their favorite star.
yes,
So
of course. If he comes in Bangalore also, we will also try to see him.
see and visit him. Yes, definitely. That we already told that we want to see him at least once in our life in front of our eyes. So definitely we'll be also doing, and yes, we will be doing the video on this content.
Yes,
right? He is
right.
telling that do a video on that. We'll be definitely searching for that for this movie only. For this movie promotion, he came to Karnataka.
Not sure for this movie, but he came to Karnataka. He
Okay,
was-
Shivamogga
he's
Hotel. We can search like that only. So yes, definitely. If we get this video, we'll be definitely doing because we always like to give reaction on different kind of
kind of
concepts.
content, not only movie,
Not
or
only
not
movie
only
or trailer.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a good suggestion
Opportunity
you
for
have.
also.
Good suggestion you have given, and we'll be definitely doing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers, and who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like
Yes.
this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.